While a crack in your car window or windshield can be a nuisance, insurance investigators warn that extra charges and false warranties can turn this nuisance into a stressful and costly problem. Reporter Gabriel Cordoba found out what can happen if you go with the wrong repair company. Gabriel?
It's happened to all of us, casually driving when a rock soars from the road and hits the middle of your windshield. Now you've got a crack and you need to get it fixed before it spreads. But where you go for that fix could be the difference between a new windshield and simply some extra charges.
A lot of times they'll say we can do it in 3 minutes. That should be your first tip off.
Stephen Cutler with Arizona Department of Insurance says to beware the quick fix.
Once they have your insurance information and once they have an authorization to go ahead and fix a ding, most insurance companies will allow up to 3 dings.
And that's how the scams work. According to the Coalition Against Insurance Fraud, you authorize one fix, but the claims keep stacking up, sometimes years later. Arizona and Florida are among the busiest states for windshield claims because they both have zero-deductible and no-fault rules written in their insurance laws. To protect yourself, go to your insurance company first.
That's part of that's part of the service that you get by having that insurance company insure your vehicle, is that they provide you a list of reputable people to work with to fix the windshield.
Like the Better Business Bureau-backed Vaughn Auto Glass. Owner Blake Trickey says the company does all it can to stay in good standings with the more than 100 insurance agencies.
We want to keep getting jobs from the insurance companies, so we have more of an incentive to do a better job.
And in turn, insurance agencies are tracking the repair services to protect their customers against extra fixes.
They do signature audits on us, so the insurance companies will occasionally call and check on a particular job at random to see if we've gotten a signature from the customer that the job's been completed.
And Clutter says there's an impact, even if your windshield is crack-free.
It kind of affects all of us because an insurance company insurance company is making that payment and they're absorbing that, but ultimately they have to, it affects their business and they do have to pass it along.
Fraud investigators say you should consider these 3 things when you have a windshield issue. 1, location. Beware of any repair company that approaches you at a parking lot or a car wash. 2, unnecessary repairs. A single chip on the windshield does not necessarily mean you need an entirely new windshield. And 3, freebies. Any company that gives you gifts or rebates in exchange for your business, simply say no and decline. Live in downtown Phoenix, Gabriel Cordoba,